Today we're going to draw Hiccup. This is how he will look. For this drawing, you will need a marker. We will start with drawing his face. Next, we're going to draw the mouth.
Wait again.
Now we're going to draw the eyes. Next, we're going to draw the nose. Good job. Now we're going to draw the hair. Good job. Next, we're going to draw the neck.
Let's see the picture again to see, if it looks like it or not. Picture. See the head. It will look more like it when we color it. But for now, we're just drawing.
Let's move on. Now we're going to draw the chest. Good job. Next, we're going to draw the arms. Great job. Now we're going to draw the rest of the body. Great job. Next, we're going to draw the legs. There we go.
Let's see how it looks like. Wow, it looks almost the same.
Yeah.
Let's color. Let's see what is in our coloring box today. Sorry. Ooh, let's pick a color. Wait, how many colors do we want? Let's look at our picture that we're drawing from. How many colors is that? 9 colors.
That's a lot of
pick
colors.
some. Turned out we only need 7 colors. We got 25
Skin color.
Salmon pink. It's for the skin color. We got GG8 cool gray. It's for the metal thing on his instead of his foot. Next we need just a Sharpie for the foot and the jacket thing. And we will need 47 grass green for the eyes. Next, we will need 55 emerald green for the
Clothes.
pants and Next, we will need 16 coral pink for the button on his chest. And last but not least, 95 senna, I think, for the clothes. And his hair? Yeah. Let's color. First is light green,
For the eyes.
for the.
Now we're going to do the dark green.
Okay.
For, you know what? The
Pants and.
pants and the arms. Good. Now we're gonna color with gray.
Yeah. For the suit up top. And yeah, only suit up top. My mistake for the little
For his broken foot.
Yeah. No, it's not a broken foot. But, yeah.
Next, we'll get the Sharpie for his top
And his boot.
Good job. Next, we're gonna use red for the button on here.
And, yeah.
Next, we're gonna color with
The skin color.
the skin color for the skin.
Yeah.
Next and last color, brown for everything else. Yay!
We finished it! Now, let's do the special surprise. We put our hands in, and now we open them up with a special surprise. Let's see.
Wow! Bye!
Bye. See you next time.